Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set min width and max width in CSS media query. It's pretty simple, let's get started. First let's add the new CSS file style.css and let's add the style for this div element. Right div, let's add the background color. Okay, color is light gray. And next add a media screen. It's a copilot help. Let's use it. What we have here, when our width is smaller than 600 pixels, then background color is light blue. Let's check. We have the light gray color, make the width smaller, and we have the light blue background. If we make a minimum width, then the background will be light blue when the width will be 600 pixels or more. Make the width bigger and we have the light blue background. It can be very useful for desktop and mobile devices. Also, instead max width and min width, you can use landscape or portrait properties. When the orientation is portrait, then background color is light blue. Portrait is light blue. For desktop devices, the background color is light gray. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you next time.